Hello friends, let's talk about reactive programming. Now, reactive programming is a new term on the developer street that's becoming the buzzword nowadays. So what exactly is it? Reactive programming is not a language like C++, Java or Python. It's not a framework either. So don't confuse this with the React framework. It is simply a thinking approach or a new paradigm to write web applications with fewer bugs and lesser complexity. Now, as you all know, JavaScript is gaining the upper hand in web development. Why? Because it's easy to learn and easy to code as well. It has become quite popular due to its simplicity, but when it comes to asynchronous programming, it becomes a little complicated. To deal with asynchronous programming like XHR requests for instance, JavaScript heavily relies on two concepts. The first one is callbacks. Now, callbacks in simple terms is nothing but calling a function after the asynchronous event has taken place. It calls back a function to denote the end of an event. This is quite useful but fails when we start writing nested callback functions, usually resulting in a difficult scenario termed as callback hell. Also, error handling becomes a mess. So the second one is promises. Promises are excellent and I feel they are more closer to the asynchronous code. A promise simply performs some activity and upon its completion resolves or rejects based on the success or failure of the activity. The drawback is that a promise usually resolves single values and hence doesn't hold up well in a recurring value scenario. To overcome all this and to choose a less complicated programming method, we go for reactive programming. In reactive programming, all the activities, be it a mouse click or a function call, are all events, and these events are expressed as streams happening or propagating over time. We write the app to react to such events and we don't exactly code each and every step of the app. This is called reactive programming as it makes the app more adaptive and error-free. Before we start to learn about this wonderful concept, it would be better to have a basic working knowledge in JavaScript and some thoughts about higher order functions and closures in JavaScript. In my next videos, I will deal with these concepts before kicking off this journey into the reactive programming world. So stay subscribed to my channel to watch more of these videos. Talk to you guys in my next video. Bye.